A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukase. Welcome to Africa and Beyond the Television Network. And my name is Ronald Wekwamapusha. So this morning, we are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. What is trending at this moment is that Killer Zivhu has given a revelation. There are mixed feelings about Killer Zivhu. Others says he is a prophet of doom. Others says what he prophesizes. His prophecies do not come to pass, but others say Killer Zivhu speaks from an informed position and what he says always come to pass. So I do not know, guys, what you think about Killer Zivhu. In the comment section, please, you can assist us and tell us from your own experience and your own perspective, how do you view Killer Zivhu? Does he speak something which happens, or he just speaks without any form of evidence? Let us take a look onto the sensitive issue which he posted on his X account. He said, "Bad time coming. Blood will flow on the streets, but at the end, victory will come." Ndarota sekuru vangu vachindiudza kuhope, ndabvunza kuti ndokupikwa zvichaitika, vakati time will tell. What is Killer Zivhu trying to do here? Is he telling the truth? Is he actually revealing that something is being planned? Does he have secondary intelligence information about what is being planned or something which is about to happen? We do not know, but this is the message which he is actually saying. He's saying, bad time coming. Ropa, richaerera, mudzinzira. So let us take a look onto the comments and contributions. Zvikanzi pana mukoma William Zambezi zvikanzi Israel happening now, zvikanzi zviri kutoitika, zvikanzi ane nyaya Zivhu, zvikanzi usanyepera vanhu iwe, zvikanzi Zivhu usadaro. One thing for sure is we will meet in the new great Zimbabwe. Zvikanzi sekuru vako achitaura chirungu manje, time will tell, itamushe. Okay, zvikanzi next month in Zimbabwe takambomacha kubvisa mumwe. Okay. Hanzi Zivhu nehope dzako dzefeki chimira. Zvikanzi iweekend usarare wanwa masese, ndo type dzehope dzaunorota kana wanwa masese. Zvikanzi zviroto ngazviperere mudzimba. Zvikanzi mika ubike doro, bika wawa. So these are contributions, these are the views of other people right here. Okay, let us see if zvikanzi izvi zvokuti maona Palestinian jihad against Zionism pa internet munyepera kurota nokuprofita siyanai nazvo. Okay, this is what Killer Zivhu has been told kuti aiwa kababa imimi imbosiyanai nazvo. But the question is, what will happen? Where will it happen? We are going to watch and see what Prophet Killer Zivhu is going to say afterwards from this moment in time. Remember, there are so many riddles which are moving around in the streets of Zimbabwe, and a lot of people are eager to know what is going to happen next. How is the political situation in Zimbabwe going to be resolved? We have seen a lot of people actually advocating for peaceful solutions or peaceful resolutions to make sure that they end the conflict which is looming in the nation of Zimbabwe. Personally, I hate to see blood flowing. I hate to see people losing lives simply because of politics, simply because of governance issues. But remember, for those who are in power, they cannot lose power easily. They can do anything and everything. We saw it in 2018. People were gunned down in Harare in broad daylight simply because some elements wanted to protect what they had, and they never paid back. What happened? No compensation happened to the victims of 1 August 2018. So it happened again in 2019. Protesters were shot. So it is what it is in Zimbabwe. I do not know what you think. Is this going to happen? We are going to wait and see what Killer Zivhu is going to say next.